I took over in 2020 as the supervisor, which was pretty cool to be, 5 years into the field and getting to do that. I think Ferris is it's a practical university. I feel like there's way more options than just doing a general Bachelor of Science. You can find, what can I do with the biology? Ferris is really good at putting you into something to, make it career-oriented as opposed to, what am I going to do with this afterwards? Like HVAC, construction management, stuff like that. Welding, right? Probably a little more hands-on and lab-oriented. Obviously the lectures and stuff are pretty similar, but I feel like there's a lot higher focus on what you're actually doing physically in the lab. But yeah, they did a really good job with that, and I had no concerns leaving that I wouldn't know what I was doing based off of my education.